Additional Milton model patterns, presupposition. Presuppositions are giving the person choices, yet have all the choices presuppose the response you want, something like options. Subordinate clauses of time. Such clauses begin with words such as before, after, during, as, since, prior, when, while. For example, while you keep going deeper, I want you to focus all your attention on your breath. So वहाँ पे subordinate clause of time हमने लगा दिया. Awareness predicates. Words such as know, aware, realize, and notice can be used to presuppose the rest of the sentence. For example, with each and every breath that you take, you become more aware of the deep relaxation that you feel. You had been using this and you will start using more and more of it. Adverbs and adjectives. Such words can be used to presuppose a major clause in a sentence. For example, are you curious about your developing a trance state? Change of time, verbs and adverbs. Words such as begin, end, start, stop, continue, proceed, already, yet, or still can be used effectively as presuppositions. For example, even though you may close your eyes, you will continue to see the image of your hand. अब हम अगर इडियोमोटर रिस्पॉन्स करवा रहे हैं या सर्कल थेरेपी करवा रहे हैं, so this may be a wonderful example or instruction, because we say that your mind knows, you have a mental image of your hand, you have the mental image of your finger, how much is 50% and how much the 50% has released, how much of your finger you had raised when 50% was released, or how much finger you had raised when you experienced it at very high level, or when you're, suppose the client gives a rating 10 to or 9 to the feeling, to the emotion that on which you are working with, so you knew how much your arms would rise or how much your finger will rise when your feeling is at 9. So even though you may close your eyes, you will continue to see the image of your hand. Commentary, adjectives, and adverbs. These are words such as fortunately, luckily, innocently, happily, or necessarily. For example, fortunately, there is no need for me to know the details of what you want in order for me to help you get it. You must have noticed one of the days when I was working with Akansha, I said, I really don't need to know the details that happened in your life to help you to recover out of it. So if he says these things, the client feels very comfortable that I don't have to share and yet I can be healed. And it has happened many times with my clients, and even when I'm working one-to-one, some of the things the client don't want to share, but yet they can come out of it. Because it is the client who has to work on one's own emotions. Indirect elicitation patterns. This group of patterns is particularly useful in getting a specific response indirectly without overtly asking for them. Embedded commands. Rather than give instructions directly, the hypnotist can embed directives within a larger sentence structure. For example, you can begin to relax. अभी जो हम लोग ने वो टाइम की बात बताई थी पिछले सेंटेंसेस में, यहाँ पे उसी तरह की चीज़ों को हमने कुछ और चीज़ों से जोड़ दिया है. You can begin to relax, or I don't know how soon you will feel better. I don't know how soon you will start feeling relaxed, and I don't know how soon your body will start feeling lighter and lighter. Embedded questions. Questions like commands can be embedded within a larger sentence structure. For example, I'm curious to know what you would like to gain from hypnosis. Negative commands. When a command is given in its negative form, the positive instruction is generally what is responded to. For example, don't think of a pink elephant. ये एक्सरसाइज हमने आपकी पहले भी करवाई थी. Don't think of a pink elephant makes one think of a pink elephant to understand the sentence. So this is about Erickson model, meta model of Milton Erickson, Milton meta models, and just read and read and read. Read the examples, read the examples, read the examples before you are going to conduct the session. And I'm sure you are going to use 2, 3, 4 models definitely, and you will start getting confidence and you will start getting to use them more and more and more and more.